Hello guys, this is Momentum and once again welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. So basically as you can see on your screen, this is the chart of gold. Okay, so let's talk about the previous signal. Okay, so this is our previous signal that we shared almost 2 days ago. This is our paid Telegram trading view channel. You can join it. Its name is Forex Master 20000. Okay, so this is our paid trading view channel. You can join this. So this is the same signal that I shared on our YouTube channel as well as on our Telegram channel as well as on our trading view channel. Okay, so let's see what happened to that signal. So basically this is a signal and I told you the gold will fall on this red zone and after that it will go up. Exactly. If someone newbie will watch this and he will say that someone moves the market with the hands. Okay, so this is all the experience that we got in the market and we are trying to share this as well as with our knowledge. Okay, so let's talk to the new video. Okay, so this is the H4 chart and this was the same trend line that I draw on that signal, and on that trend line, as you can see, the gold was moving like that. Okay, so as you can again see, the market was here and I told you it will fall here and then it will go up. Why? Same movement, the market behavior is same. Okay, so it is testing above trend line, then lower, then above. So again we got a couple of trend lines on our screen, and first of all let me show you one thing. What is the movement of gold? For this I have to remove these two trend lines, so I am going to draw a structure. Suppose this is a structure. Okay, what is the common thing in this structure? Only an expert will tell this. For example, this is the high, the market made the very next high. For example, this is the high. Okay, so the next movement of the market is to retest this high. Okay, new high formed, this one, then market again retest this low, a third one formed like that, then the market came back to retest this. This is the actual movement of the gold. It is following. This is the, I have told you, cherry on a cake, as you can see. So for example, this is the high, market made a high, went back, test this high, made new high here, again test this high, made new high, test this high, new high, tested this high, new high, and today market tested its new high. This is the perfect example of knowledge and understanding. Maybe you were unaware about this, and now I told you, and you will check this and you will try to answer the question, what is the future movement of the gold? I know you know the answer. I have already guided you how to draw the structure and how to find out the next movement of the market. Okay, so basically this is the one indicator, as I told you. You can call it an indicator, but now we are going to measure the precise movement of the market. So we are going to draw a Fibonacci level on that support level. You can draw from the support level, you can draw from the support level, but for more accuracy I am going to draw the support level of previous 1000 pips. Okay, this is the movement of gold, that is 2842, and this is the point of 2732, where I am going to apply a Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, as you can see, after applying the Fibonacci level, we got two areas, this area, this area. These are the above areas, and let's talk about the two areas of the downside. Okay, this is the first down area and this is the second down area. So I am going to remove the Fibonacci retracement. Now the chart is itself saying that what is going to happen next. Okay, please try to understand. If gold is moving in that structure, okay, like that, it will keep on moving in this structure. Somehow if it will break, then it will move in that structure. This is the actual movement of the gold. You can understand and you can analyze this, back test this signal in our on a demo or maybe on a different account. So come on the topic, we have two areas now for the gold to retrace. The first area is this area, and remember the rule, if market break the ATH, then it will come back to retest the ATH. So this area is meaningless, that's why I am going to remove it, because market is moving on this area. So let's remove this area. Okay, so now we have a red zone, a pusher, a buying zone, you can call it anything, but this is a strong zone. So now what will market do? Simply I am going to find a okay here. So now the market will retest this area, then it will make a new high, then again it will come back to retest this area again, then it will make a new high, then it will come back to retest this area, then it will go more up. So simply this is the movement of the market, and I have told you, I have already shown you the next Fibonacci levels target of the gold. The first target is 2858. Maybe it will market will go there tomorrow, and the very long target is 2909. Okay, so this was all about H4, and let's take a look on daily candle. So maybe a very next candle will be a red candle. Why? Because the market has successfully completed a structure. What is the structure? This is known as three soldier pattern. Okay, suppose this is a green candle, let me make it a green. This is also a green candle. Okay, and again this is a green candle. If three green candles or if three red candles consecutively formed, the fourth candle will be the same as the previous three candles. Remember the rule, always remember this rule. If three red or green candles are formed, the fourth candle will be the same as the previous three candles. Okay, this is the rule number 1. Now remember the rule number 2. If three candles are formed, then a fourth candle will not continue the buy or the selling pressure, and it will form a opposite candle as the previous three. Then the fifth candle will jump and complete the structure. Remember this rule always. I have never told this rule, I have never teach this rule to anyone, especially not my students, as we move there gradually. Okay, I can show you many hundred examples there. For example, let's start from the zone. Here we have three candles. Let's change its color as there are green, yellow. Okay, these are the three candles. The fourth candle is green too. Okay, here we have three green candles. The fourth candle is green too. Here we have three red candles. the fourth candle is red too. Similarly, here we have three green candles, the fourth candle is green too. I can show you hundred of examples. Same here, three green candle, fourth candle is also same, and on the zone as you can see three candles and the fourth candle is also the previous one. Okay, so this is the perfect example of knowledge. So on daily structure, this was the ATH. Let me draw a zone here. Okay, so this was the ATH and this is a area of almost 2808. Okay, the very next candle very beautifully came back, retest on the zone, and now it is flying. But I will told you to be gentle and please wait for the market to come back to retest this area to form a double bottom pattern. Then it can continue its buying pressure till 2853, then 2909. Okay, so I have already told you that we may see a green candle, red candle in the structure. Why? So basically, as you can see, I can again show you hundred of examples. When market completed its structure, the next candle will be opposite. Four green candles, red candle. Three red candles, green candle. Here I have also seen one more candle. Okay, so here three candle, one red candle, and again here three candles, the next candle is red. So this is not 100% sure, but according to me we will have a maybe a red candle. But let's go to H1R so we can. So on H1 candle structure, if I draw a structure, as you can see the structure is successfully broken. So H1 is saying that we have already more buying action in the market, but I will request you to follow the movement, follow the rule. This is the rule. As I told you, the market today broke the ATH, then it will came back to retest this, then it will make a new high, came back to retest this, and then again a new high. So market is moving with this pattern. Hope this video was very informative for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. For more help, you can join our Telegram as well as our WhatsApp channel. Thank you very much.
Forex Planet.